Hello dear students, good morning to everyone. In previous video lecture of trapezoidal footing, part first, in that video lecture, we had calculated the quantities of earthwork in excavation for footing, quantity of PCC work and concrete work in footing up to the plinth level. So in this video, we have to calculate the quantities of reinforcement. So let's start today's session. Before that, we have to observe the cross section and plan carefully so that it is easy to calculate the quantities of reinforcement. See here, square footing is provided. So here this reinforcement is provided above the PCC, that is 12 mm bars at 150 mm center to center both way. Means this reinforcement it is provided in x direction as well as in y direction. So we have to calculate the quantity of this reinforcement. Again, this is the dowel bar. So what is the use of dowel bar? So dowel bar is provided to continue the placement of reinforcement, and it is provided in the slab, beam and in column also. So this dowel bar having the 4 notches, 16 mm 5 bars. Similarly, these are the reinforcement in the column, that is 4 numbers, 16 mm diameter of bars. So first of all, I will prepare the measurement sheet, serial number, particulars, numbers, length, breadth, height or depth, and lastly quantity.
After preparing measurement sheet, we have to calculate the quantities of reinforcement which is provided in the footing. So there are various diameters of bar provided in the footing. So I will write here in measurement sheet in serial number 4, in particular steel reinforcement including bending. So in that we have to calculate the reinforcement first quantity, that is, so see here 120 mm bars at 150 mm center to center both way. These are provided in x direction and in y direction. So we have to calculate the quantities of this 12 mm bar. But before that, we have to calculate the weight of this 12 mm bar per meter. So how to find out the weight of bar? So one formula is there to find out the weight, that is d square by 162. So d is nothing but the diameter of steel bar, which we have to find out. So 12 square divided by 162, it gives 0.89 kg per meter. So this is the weight of 12 mm bars kg per meter. Now I will write here in the measurement sheet 12 mm bars about 0.89 kg per meter in footing at 150 mm center to center both way. Now we have to calculate the numbers of bars of 12 mm both way, that is in x direction and y direction. See, this is the cross section and this is the length, in which length in x direction, that is 1.6 meter. This is the length, and we have to calculate the number of bars in x direction and similarly in y direction. So how to find out the number of bars? So one formula is there. Numbers is equal to, so total length in x direction, that is 1.6 meter. So I will write here 1.6 meter minus, we have to deduct the side covers, that is 40 mm on each side, from one side and other side. So 0.08 meter divided by spacing of the bars, that is 150 mm. So 0.15 plus 1. Why we add this one? Because we provide the reinforcement from the starting point. Here is the starting point. So that's why we add the 1. So after calculating this, we will get 11.13 notch. So it is 11.13. So I will round it to 12 notch. So here I will write 12 notch into 2, because it is provided in x direction as well as in y direction. That's why I will multiply this 12 into 2. Now we have to calculate the length of single bar, that is provided in x direction and in y direction. So see here the x direction. So I will write here 1.6 minus the side covers of both side, that is 0.08. Again we have to add the hook which is provided at the both ends. So I will add this one plus 2 into 9 into diameter of the bar, that is 12 mm. So into 0.012. So is equal to, after calculating this, we will get the total length of the bar, that is 1.736 meter. So this is the total length of the single steel bar. Now in length column I will write 1.736 meter. This is the length in meter, breadth in meter, height or depth in meter. Now we have the length of the steel bar, total numbers of steel bar in x direction and in y direction, and similarly we have the total weight of the steel bar per meter, that is 0.89 kg per meter. So after that, multiplying this numbers length and per meter weight, we will get the total weight of the 12 mm bar in both way. After multiplying these values, we will get the total quantity of 12 mm bars in both way. So it will be 37.08 kg.
Now we have to calculate the quantities of dowel bars. So I will write here B 16 mm bars at weight. How to calculate the weight of this 16 mm bars per meter? That is d square by 162. So 16 square by 162, it will give 1.58 kg per meter. So I will write here 1.58 kg per meter dowel bars. So in cross section they are given the 4 numbers of dowel bars. So I will write here 4 numbers. Now we have to calculate the length of dowel bar. So length is equal to, so see here, the length of this dowel bar is from this end, it is bent at 90 degree, and this is the last end. So what is the length? See, 0.38 plus 0.2 plus 0.5 plus 0.3, but this is the total length up to this edge. So we have to deduct this bottom cover, one single bar, and this half bar. So first of all I will write the total length, 0.38 plus 0.2 plus 0.5 plus 0.3. So this is the total length up to this edge. We have to deduct bottom end, one single bar and one half bar, minus, what is the bottom cover? This is 50 mm, 0.05 minus single bar 0.012 minus half bar 0.012 by 2. So we will get length from this edge to up to this edge. Now this is bent at 90 degree. So this distance is 0.2. So I will write here, I will add this 0.2. Again it is bent at 90 degree. So due to bent at 90 degree, so it will increase some extra length. So I will write here plus. So what is the extra length for 90 bent up? 6.5. 6 into, what is the diameter of this bar? 16 mm. So I will write here 0.16. So after calculating this, we will get the total length of dowel bar. So it will be 1.608 meter. So this is the length. So I will repeat it. See, तो यहाँ पे देखिए ये डॉवेल बार्स है, 4 नंबर्स है डॉवेल बार के, बिकॉज कॉलम में 4 बार्स है, इसलिए डॉवेल बार पे हमें 4 ही प्रोवाइड करने होंगे। तो यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना टोटल लेंथ हमें पता है, 0.38 प्लस 0.2, 0.5 एंड 0.3, पर ये कहाँ तक आ गया, इस एज तक आ गया। तो यहाँ से हमें ये बॉटम कवर डिडक्ट करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद ये सिंगल बार और ये जो इस बार पे रेस्ट है तो उसका हाफ डिस्टेंस, मतलब सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस से हमें लेना पड़ेगा। तो इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे 0.38, 0.2, 0.5 एंड 0.3 इनको ऐड किया है, तो ये टोटल डिस्टेंस मिल रहा है। उसके बाद ये बॉटम कवर है 50 mm सिंगल बार एंड हाफ बार। उसके बाद ये 90 डिग्री में इसको बेंड किया है, तो इसका टोटल लेंथ है 0.2, उसको ऐड किया है, और ये 90 में बेंड किया है, इसलिए इसका एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ हो जाएगा 6 × 5। तो ये 6 × 5 क्या है, एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ। तो ये आ जाता है 1.608 मीटर। तो आई विल राइट इन लेंथ कॉलम 1.608 मीटर। 16 mm बार का पर मीटर वेट कितना है, 1.58। सो आई विल राइट हियर एट वेट 1.58 kg per meter. So after multiplying this, we will get total weight of dowel bar. So it will be 10.163 kg. Now we have to calculate the quantity in column, that is 4 numbers, 16 mm diameter bars, that is vertical bars. So I will write here 16 mm bars at weight 1.58 kg per meter in column. So what is the numbers of this bars? There are 4 numbers of bar, so I will write here 4 numbers. In length, I will assume the floor to slab distance of this column is 3 meter and the floor level at 0.6 meter from the plinth level. So I will write here length is equal to, so see, this is the vertical bars which is provided in the column. So I will take this 0.2 and 0.4 up to plinth level. 0.2 plus 0.4. Again I will assume here from plinth level to floor level it will be floor level, that is 0.6 meter, plus from floor to slab level 3 meter, and plus this vertical bars is bent in the slab. So directly I will assume that one, that is 100 mm. So I will write here 0.1 meter. It will be 4.3 meter. So again I will repeat this. So see here, these vertical bars start from this offset. So 0.2 and 0.4 up to the plinth level. This is up to the plinth level. This one plinth level to floor level. This is floor level to slab level, and this bent in slab. So after calculating this, we will get length of single bar is equal to 4.3 meter. So I will write here 4.3 meter. So what is the weight? Weight per meter 1.58 kg per meter. So after multiplying this, we will get the total quantity of vertical bars in the column, and it will be 27.176 kg. This is about the quantity of steel bar.